The cryptocurrency industry is no stranger to shady schemes and scams. With each new blockchain and coin launched, investors must consider the risk of being conned. As another project gains popularity, known as the Pi Network, suspicions are arising around its legitimacy. Over the years, blockchain innovation has reached new heights, with the mining process becoming easier and less time-consuming. The Pi cryptocurrency is a crypto initiative that claims to provide users with a new currency with all the advantages of Bitcoin while avoiding its pitfalls. However, Pi has no value as of the 5th of January 2023. It cannot be sold on any exchange. It does not yet exist on a live blockchain. It has no wallet. It's mined by people signing into the Pi app from their phones and tapping a button. Given such enigmatic characteristics, it's no surprise that many curious parties are left asking, what is Pi cryptocurrency?
Welcome to this Crypto Wealth channel. Watch the full video to learn more about the Pi Network.
What is Pi Network? The Pi Network was established by Stanford University academics Nicholas Kokkalis and Qingdiao Fan. They started working on it in 2018 to create digital money for everyone. On the 14th of March 2019, they published a white paper and released the Pi Network app. The project promises to be environmentally sustainable, which might help attract climate-conscious investors. It may be especially effective since the crypto market has often been reprimanded for its substantial energy consumption due to energy-intensive procedures like proof of work, which degrades the environment. The Pi Network app is used to mine Pi, and the mining procedure needs users to hit a button on their phone every 24 hours. Users are not confirming transactions at this time. At least not yet. In actuality, individuals get Pi tokens for accessing the application once per day and demonstrating that they are not a robot. Users must get an invitation code from a member to join the app. Pi Network has a referral system in which users earn extra money dependent on how many others register using their invitation code. According to the white paper for the Pi Network, the native cryptocurrency will not be introduced until Phase 4 of the project, when the Pi Network mainnet is launched. Myron Jobson, the personal finance campaigner of Interactive Investor, told the UK newspaper The Sun, "It is difficult to see where the value is for the users. Users hang on to it and hope that it will one day be worth something." How does Pi Network work? Pi Network differs from many other cryptocurrencies in that it employs a proprietary mechanism known as the Stellar Consensus Protocol, which enables users to receive benefits for their participation in the network. The Pi ecosystem is built on a revolutionary technique known as the Federated Byzantine Agreement, which enables a set of computers to reach an agreement without needing a central authority. The Stellar Consensus Protocol employs a merit-based mechanism that encourages participants to contribute to the network by validating transactions and blocks. The more users one adds to the Pi ecosystem, the more incentives one gets. Pi coin value. What is the value of Pi cryptocurrency? As a result, there is no historical data on the Pi Network's performance since the token has not yet been launched on any cryptocurrency exchange. The Pi Network's creators are yet to reveal the number of coins in circulation when the project is formally launched. The maximum supply is still to be determined. So just how does Pi Network work? The Pi Network has undergone several milestones in the past year, and this may further drive the craze around the Pi coin value. Launch of Pi Connect. In September 2022, the Pi Network announced the launch of Pi Connect. Furthermore, the program intends to offer users information on Pi's price and conversion rate for other popular cryptocurrencies. Pi Connect allows Pi Network users to make interoperable trades with other blockchain networks like Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, and others quickly, affordably, and securely. In addition to bridging with blockchain, Pi Connect aims to provide farming and staking, a launchpad platform, lending, auctions, and a marketplace, among other things. Pi coin price forecast. The Pi Network also lacks a price history, making it impossible to analyze how its price reacts to crypto market fluctuations. Furthermore, doing a fully fledged fundamental analysis is also impossible. To forecast the Pi coin value, it's crucial to consider the cryptocurrency's existing and prospective use cases, the number of individuals who currently own Pi coins, the team of engineers behind it, the Pi Network's future potential, and so on. In the case of Pi, there's no way of knowing all these facts. The Pi Network will be listed on cryptocurrency exchanges soon. If this occurs, the Pi coin's price will grow beyond its value of $0. When much anticipated projects are initially listed on cryptocurrency exchanges, their prices often surge over the first few weeks. When individuals hurry to acquire the new prospective big thing, the market cap rises due to the tremendous demand. As a result, the Pi coin's future value may rise. However, the price does not usually stay high for an extended period. It usually falls a few days after the first hype fades because people begin selling their coins to earn quick profits. Will the Pi Network suffer the same fate? Time will tell. According to Susanna Streeter, a senior investing and markets analyst at Hargreaves Lansdown, Pi has no value as it cannot yet be traded. What is the future of the Pi network? The Pi coin's future price remains uncertain. While the Pi network has a lofty ambition of allowing anybody to mine crypto and make blockchain technology more accessible, it has been riddled with controversies. The strong incentive structure significantly favors recruitment, while miners are compensated in a native cryptocurrency with no real value. Meanwhile, the Pi currency has attained widespread acceptance in various countries, including Vietnam. Pi Browser, the Pi network's mobile app, recently became the fourth most downloaded non-gaming software in Vietnam on the Apple App Store and the sixth most downloaded on Google Play. Investors are recommended to exercise caution when dealing with this type of speculative cryptocurrency venture. Time will tell the future of the Pi coin. The bottom line, while it is vital to be aware of these facts when looking for a Pi coin's future value, they should not be used as a replacement for your own research. Keep in mind that crypto markets are high risk and very volatile. Before trading, always complete your own due diligence by researching the latest news, fundamental and technical analysis, and a broad range of analysts' opinions. When researching a Pi coin's future price, keep in mind that past performance is not a reliable indicator of future results. And never trade with money you can't afford to lose.
Subscribe to our channel to keep up with new content. Your subscription, support, and feedback are much appreciated.